I'm Devyani Sharma.
And I'm Shradhir.
Myself Tanya Verma along with Radhika Goel.
Welcome to Universal Business School, where we take a leap forward by creating India's first green business school. Our brand colors green and blue demonstrate our ethos of going green as well as believing in blue oceans and blue skies, thinking that there are no limits and only possibilities. We will combine our passion for environmental conservation with innovation and produce a truly eco-smart business school. Here at Universal Business School, we use the organic matter, which is otherwise regarded as waste product, and we use that matter for composting, which becomes a soil conditioner, enriches the soil, helps retain moisture and suppress plant disease and pest. It also reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and reduces methane emissions from landfills. We at Universal Business School employ rainwater harvesting, reduction of waste, increase recycling, and produce green power via solar power. We also ensure reduction in power consumption through innovative techniques and constructing sustainable, climate friendly buildings. So, here we break up with fossil fuels.